Hello everyone, I'm here with a art tutorial, and that art tutorial is going to be looking at the differences of how to draw females and how to draw males. But also I'm going to be looking into how to make masculine females and feminine males, plus ambiguous genders. The first thing that you'll notice is going to be the chin. So normally you'll have like a V shape. You'll see this like boxy kind of jaw right here. Even with Ghibli, where the males are feminine looking, the way you can tell they're male, even if they don't have their Adam's apple, is you can tell by how thick the neck width is, you see? Typically, anime girls will have white space underneath the eyes. Meanwhile, most males characters will have like not really anything there, but a lot of male characters will also have cat eyes. And having thin, high eyebrows is very feminine too. Meanwhile, males will usually have very low, thick eyebrows. Males will typically have a lot of hair, meanwhile females will not. The basic between the female and male body is, imagine like a pear. So a lot of the weight is going to be on the bottom, so it's just like a pear, and a lot of the weight will be on the top for like males. That's really the big difference. Obviously, boobies. And females will be like thinner, meanwhile males will be more toned and be thicker. Going on to making masculine women. So what you want to do is make them have a pear shape like a male, but add boobs. That's literally it. And then create boxy shoulders. That is literally it. So moving on over here, feminine boys will normally be a upside down pear, but they'll just be skinnier. Just like imagine a pear like this, but no boobs. So moving along, how do you make characters in the middle or that are ambiguous? As you can tell, a lot of them have like thick clothing here and here. So I would recommend making a skinny male body without the boobs. Kind of like a feminine boy, but make sure that their neck is skinny. Also, I would stick to very unique hairstyles or hairstyles that are shoulder length. It doesn't really matter because I've seen some animes where characters will cross-dress. Character will not tell anyone whether they're female and male, and it'll leave the viewers like, wait, are they or are they not? So, I think you can get away with that. Let me know if you guys want me to teach more stuff.